Good morning, Eastern Stars.
Today is Wednesday, April 26, 2023. I'm Rain.
I'm Mr. Cooper.
I'm Macy. I'm Grady.
What's for lunch, Grady?
First choice is popcorn chicken with sweet and sour sauce on the side and rice. Second choice is mini corn dogs, and salad bar will be a soft pretzel and cheese sauce and a yogurt.
There are no birthdays today, but today's weather is a high temperature of 47 degrees. I can't see it.
One reminder from Mrs. Osceola that tomorrow is Poem in Your Pocket Day. Have fun. Favorite or original poem in your pocket day. In your pocket, ready to share with friends, students that love loved ones. Please join us in this awesome activity for National Poetry Month. I can't wait to hear and share your poems with you.
I'm gonna have to come up with my own poem and put it in my pocket in case anybody asks me. There's a lot of shout outs.
Shout out.
Oh, say this. Mrs. Stout would like to give a shout out.
Oh, Mrs. Stout would like to give a shout out to Brendan for making his classroom a happy place to learn and work and being a role model student. I guess it.
Mrs. Beck would like to give a shout out to Hudson, Eloise, Lily, Andre, Charlie, Max, Avery, and Caleb for having writing stamina.
Mason from Mrs. Lane's class would like to give a shout out to Mrs. Lane herself. She is an amazing teacher and does a great job taking care of the class. Their read-alouds are calming, and Mason loves watching the Eagle Cam. Thank you, Mrs. Lane. I have a special shout out to a student in 5th grade, Brewer, who completed the entire curriculum of 5th grade math in Khan Academy. He's my first student to ever do that. He's been working really hard on that, so really impressive, Brewer. Mrs. Kulik would like to give a shout out to students who had their artwork featured at the District Art Show at Central High School. These students are first graders Beckett, Penny C, and June. Second graders Royal, Caleb, and Maya. Third graders Madison, John, Tyne, Irene, Silas, Tegan, and Remy. Fourth graders Charlie, Kirsten, Case, Cade, and Romy. And fifth graders Ava and Ben. Congratulations, guys. That looked really cool. I went over there and saw that artwork hanging on the wall at the high school. There was a lot of people there watching it. And we have a special announcement that we're going to do every day from here until summertime. It is going to be a countdown to the summer. How many days left do we have?
There are 34.5 days until summer.
34 and a half days until summer, because we do end on a half day this year. And why don't we go ahead and throw a worm or two in for Reptar to see if he's interested. Oh yeah, he's hanging out. So we have Reptar just chilling, hanging out, seeing what's going on this morning. We got a worm. Just throw a worm in and we'll eat. Actually, why don't we do this? Instead of throwing it in, I'm gonna keep it in my hand.
That's what I did yesterday.
See if he always looking at it.
Ew, ew, ew. I need this out of my hand.
Look at that, just took it right out of my hand and now he's chomping on it. All right. Well, that's all the announcements we have for you this morning. We don't have our star. The girls aren't ready. Remember to be safe, trustworthy, attentive, and respectful. Have a wacky Wednesday. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.